Now check your understanding so far by answering these questions based on this animation. The car in the animation travels a distance 5 km in 0.2 hour. What is its speed in meter per second? Watch that the distance is in kilometer, the time is in hour. You need the speed in meter per second. Write down all the steps. Number 2, if the average speed of the car is 5 meters per second, what is the distance in kilometer covered in 1 hour? All right. Number 3, if the car has a uniform speed, sketch a graph of x versus t. But take some time and answer these questions, making sure that you write all the steps. If you want to check the answers, keep on watching. The distance is 5 km. Write that in meters. That is 5,000 meters. The time is 0.2 hour. This is 0.2 hour multiplied by 60 to convert to minutes, and then multiplied by 60 to convert it to seconds. So 0.2 hour is 720 seconds. Average speed is distance divided by time. That is 5,000 meters divided by 720 seconds is 6.9 meters per second. Now, don't depend on my answers. Check this on your own. Use a calculator to make sure that you have the correct answer. Next question. We have the average speed, the time, find the distance. Now, what is the relation between distance, average speed, and the time? Well, distance is average speed multiplied by time. Now, we want the distance in kilometer. So, first we have the speed in meter per second, the time in second. So we will calculate the distance in meter and then convert that to kilometer. So, average speed multiplied by time, 5 meters per second multiplied by 3,000 seconds is 18,000 meters. Now, how many kilometers is 18,000 meters? A kilometer is 1,000 meters. So divide this by 1,000 meters. That will be 18,000 meters divided by 1,000. That is 18 kilometers. Number 3, if the car has a uniform speed, sketch a graph of x versus t. By now you know that if you want to sketch a graph, you need to write a relation. Now, what is the relation connecting average speed, distance x, time, and average speed? Can you write down that relation? Well, the relation is x equal to vt, distance equal to average speed multiplied by time. Now, this is similar to y equal to mx. So, a graph of x on the y-axis and time on the x-axis will be a straight line. And what will the slope of this graph represent? The slope of that graph will be v, the average velocity. So, since this is of the form y equal to mx, the graph of x versus t will be a straight line, and its slope will be a measure of the average speed. So here I have a graph of x on the y-axis and time t on the x-axis. The slope of that graph, delta x divided by delta t, is a measure of the average speed.